Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tommie, and if you are new here, I like subscriptions a lot. So I have my Boxycharm. This is my January box, and I'm excited. I sneaked in. If you did not know, I always go through my box a little bit just so I can kind of see what I have, so I can demonstrate it for you right here on camera. I'm hopping in. So the theme of this month is Rock 2018, which is perfect for a New Year box. Alright, the first thing I have is the Luminizer Primer Base, which is by Dr. Brandt. And it says Pores No More. A few of my favorite things about a luminizer. Not seeing my pores and making me glowy, so I'm into it. Oh, wow, so if you guys can see there, it actually is a beige. It's not white or creamy looking, which is unusual. So I'm going to just put this everywhere where I typically put on my primers. Do you know how they say a little bit goes a long way? I honestly felt like I didn't have enough with just that square I just showed you, so I'm going to grab a little bit more. I'm going to throw it on my forehead. And one thing I do have to say, it does feel like it dries down super quick and becomes, I want to say almost tacky. But, yeah. And from what I'm seeing, I definitely wouldn't say my pores are covered up because I do have quite a large pores right here. But I definitely can see like almost that there's like glitter within that primer, which is very odd to me, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna just throw on on foundation. I just have my Matte and Poreless by Maybelline. I'm gonna throw that on very quick. I'm gonna just speed through it just so I can see kind of what it looks like underneath foundation, and I'm not, oh, okay, that's kind of what it looks like, you know. Neighbors, they're fun, huh? I don't know if I'm having like a bad skin day or what. I don't really love this foundation, but honestly I'm not even liking what it looks like on my face. I'm gonna pat it in, maybe that's what I need. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this. I know a lot of people like this, but it's not really doing much for me. But it just says apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application, AM or PM. A makeup remover wipe just to wipe it off, so that could definitely be one of... Okay, that's gone. So that could be definitely one of the problems. So I'm not really sure. Right now, it's not really a winner to me, but definitely should prep my face and try it out again. But it retails for $38, which is kind of expensive for a primer in my opinion. But it's supposed to deliver a natural radiant glow while blurring pores. So I'm not really seeing that. I definitely can see like more of a luminous thing going on with my face, but I'm not really seeing the pore minimizer because these guys are out to play. Hop on to the next thing. The next thing I have is the It Brow Power, which is the Universal Brow Pencil. It retails for $24. So it's developed with plastic surgeons and cosmetics. #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotins. Alright. Let's see if this is what it's all about. So it's in a universal taupe. I love taupe on my brows. I think it looks really nice. Ooh. I like the packaging. It's kind of like a matte silver, which is nice. Okay. Ooh, and it comes with a spoolie. Anytime a brush comes with a spoolie, which I feel like it's almost like, hey, this is necessary, they don't get it. So it is a thicker pencil. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about that. I typically do like very fine lines. I think it looks the best on my brows, but I'll give it a go. I'll see what it's all about. actually am surprisingly impressed. I really like the tone of this. It actually matches my brows spot on. I think this is a very surprising. That's a treat. That actually is really nice. I do typically don't like how big that is, but it almost is not, I don't want to say like a greasy product, but it is very firm. So it almost is okay that it's that thick. But I really like that. That was so easy. I mean, I filled in my brows in like 2 seconds. That's nice. I like that. Especially because I do like fuller looking brows, but that's pretty bomb. I mean, wow. I'm impressed. I have the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, which is an eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $25. So it's this lovely guy. This is so cute. So it has like a little guitar. That's adorable, and the shades are very pretty. I really like them. This is definitely not a complete palette. There is so many shimmers, but these are definitely shimmers that everyone's going to want to use. So pretty. I'm going to swatch a few of them just so you guys can get an idea. I'm digging this heavy metal color, which is like a blue, but it also has like a silver undertone. And then let's do Rock On, which is a green. Yeah, these are pretty. So they're not like crazy bright colors, so I feel like these are going to be lovely since they are more so kind of muted. I'm going to just grab the color Wicked, which is that color, and I am going to Holy Pigment. I was not expecting it to be that dark, but actually looks quite nice. Oh. So I'm going for a grungy look, apparently. It's definitely easy for this to get out of hand. I'm digging that. I'm actually really, really digging that. So I'm going to just grab a flat shader brush, and I'm going to go into that color. I'm going to just do Rebel, that gold color, since I didn't swatch it. And I'm going to just pop that right in. Dude. This pigmentation is insane. Holy crap. I'm honestly so impressed with the pigmentation. It is really nice. And I'm actually going to just put in that black, which is black metal right there. And I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eye. That's a really nice black, actually. As much as like, yeah, I'm never going to use this smeared, it's actually not horrible. It's not ideal if you have a different one. Definitely would suggest it. Really smoke out my eye. Ooh, I went very like raccoony on that. Oops. Oh. I'm actually kind of digging it. Reminds me of like New Year's. This is definitely something I would have on New Year's. Wow, I'm actually surprisingly impressed with this palette. I didn't really have high hopes for it, but I mean, I'm going to go crazy with this green. That green looks so pretty. I mean, and seriously, this retails for $25. I mean, you really can't beat that at all. The next product I have for you is Pure, which is the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette, which retails for $34. So it's this nice little white palette. It actually has a good weight to it. So let's break this guy open. Let's see what it's got. So it says, as on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with the 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow. I'm for it. Oh yeah, that looks so pretty. And this feels just really nice. I mean, it retails for $34, but it definitely feels and looks way more high-end. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm just grabbing an angled brush. Those are so soft. They're so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Oh wow. Crazy pigmented. Guys, I mean, seriously. Wow. So I think this bronzer is definitely going to be a little bit dark on my skin, so I'm going to go very soft. Yep. That is a little bit dark, looking a little bit muddy. So if you're around my skin tone, be wary of that. But this definitely looks like it could be an eyeshadow for me, so I'll make it work. It's not blending as nicely as I would like it, or it could just be, since it's so dark, it looks so muddy on me. I don't know if you guys can really, it's picking up on camera, but it's looking a little crazy, So I'm gonna just dip into that pink color. Okay, so the blush is really pretty. Ooh, I like that. It's very shimmery. So I definitely wouldn't ever use this all together. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. I would definitely need to balance it out with matte. Ooh, on camera, I am looking like a clown. Alright, so and then I'm going to just use that highlight. And I'm just taking a fan brush. Yeah, that highlight is gorgeous. Ooh, that highlight looks really pretty on my skin tone. Yeah, I like the highlight. Everything else, I'm not sure. Looks a little crazy. I mean, this is such a beautiful palette. I definitely would say that the bronzer is way too dark for my skin. The pink is pretty, but I definitely would have to balance it out with a matte bronzer. The highlight is gorgeous. I love the way it looks on my skin. It's very naturalist. It's not too glittery and chunky. So the last thing I have is Girlactik matte lip paint for $32. So it's one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its word. It's a highlight, long-lasting, wearing, non-cracking, and won't what? Settle. Alright, so I have it in Derma, which looks like it's a very pretty pink color. So it's on. Oh wow, that's a lot deeper than I expected. Sorry about that, guys. My camera just overheated, but this literally glided on like a dream. It seriously was the easiest liquid lipstick I've ever put on. The color is beautiful. I love it. It was not patchy whatsoever, and it felt like when you're putting on it almost has like a sandy, like very small sand texture to it, but it was so effortless. I love the color. I think it's so pretty. I really like that. Man, Girlactik. I'm gonna have to definitely look into these because I mean, this is the best formula I've ever had. Ever. I mean, that's insane. What is the total cost? So let's do a little calculations. Alright, so the total cost was so it cost me $21, but the total cost was $144. I mean, seriously, that's amazing. Such a good price for what you're getting. Full size items. Boxycharm is amazing, and I love this box. This was probably one of my favorite boxes. I definitely have a couple misses with that primer and that bronzer. I mean, I look kind of crazy. Hopefully it looks not as bad on camera, but in person I look a little muddy. But other than that, I really like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!